KOAM News Now, Joplin News First. I'm Shannon Becker. We're inside the Ollie's grand opening day today.
Attention customers, I have a deal for you. In the main power aisle by Sporting Goods, we have Coleman griddles that anywhere else are $369.99 or here $99.99. So come get your Coleman griddle while they last.
So Ollie's, they've been around since the early 1980s, and they have kind of a little bit of a caricature guy here that is their mascot almost. His name is Oliver Rosenberg. He's one of the founding members of the store. He's now passed away, but still lives on in these cool little ad pictures they have all over the store. Looks almost like Albert Einstein. I'm going to walk through a little bit here and show you some of the stuff they have. It's new items, closeout deals they've bought in mass quantities. If you tap your screen and click that bit link, it'll take you to their ad for the week. They have weekly ads. There's laundry detergents and stuff. Let me walk over here. Excuse me. There's some lawn and garden. It's the former Slumberland location. I bet a good 300 or 400 people were here when they opened at 9 a.m. Their hours are 9 to 9. Except on Sunday, they're open 10 to 7. Excuse me. Windshield wipers, floor mats for your car, camping bed, I was trying to take you back here to the back of the store. Home goods, that's a false graph. Got food items, coffees, little refrigerators, and carpets here at the back. Ollie has a little bit of everything. If you tap your screen, click your bit link, we put the ad for the week inside our article. We have Legos, some Lego sets they've purchased in mass quantity. Vacuum cleaners. These are Hoover. Carpet cleaners. Carpet cleaners. There's Bissell. And also flooring. Like everywhere you turn, it's something different. Vinyl plank flooring. We talked to the district manager, Darren Wheat, earlier. There's a shark. He said he knows Joplin well, and he knows the people of Joplin are going to love Ollie's. Years ago, he said he was the district manager for Toys R Us. If loving bargains, this is what I was talking about, how hilarious it is. If loving bargains is a crime, we plead guilty. I love it. It reminds me of growing up. You remember Grandpa's here in Joplin? Grandpa's store out on North Main Street. There's Ollie riding a dolphin or porpoise or whatever. Our prices are really cheap, no kidding. When I heard Ollie's was coming, I checked one out in Muskogee. And it was busy too, just on a regular day. I'll take you over here to I'll take you to their book section. They've got all kinds of books, kids' books, adult books. But the crowd kind of moved by. There are a lot of people here. Coffee table books. We got Bibles, study Bibles. And inspirational books. Oh, look, there's Joyce Myers. So, Ollie's, good stuff, cheap. Click the bit link and all the details, all right? KOAM News Now, Joplin News First. I'm Shannon Becker. Oh, they're weed eaters. Keep calm and Ollie on. I love it.